A land surveyor plays a crucial role in the development and planning of a city or town. In Dehradun, one of the leading companies in the field of land surveying is Scon Design India Private Limited. This company specializes in providing comprehensive and accurate land surveying services to both government and private clients. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd has built a strong reputation for its expertise and professionalism in carrying out various land surveying projects. The role of a government land surveyor is to accurately measure and map the physical features of a particular area of land. This information is essential for various purposes such as urban planning, infrastructure development, property assessment, and boundary disputes. Scon Design India Private Ltd employs highly skilled and experienced land surveyors who are well-versed in using advanced surveying equipment and techniques. With their expertise, they are able to provide precise measurements and detailed maps that are essential for decision-making processes. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of adhering to legal and regulatory requirements while conducting land surveys. As a government land surveyor, they ensure that all their surveys are conducted in compliance with the guidelines and regulations set by the relevant authorities. This ensures that their surveys are legally valid and can be used as official records for land registration or other legal purposes. The services provided by Scon Design India Private Ltd go beyond just conducting land surveys. They also offer expert advice and consultancy on matters related to land use, development, and planning. Their team of professionals has extensive knowledge and experience in urban planning and can provide valuable insights and recommendations to clients. A land surveyor plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate and precise measurements and boundaries of land. In Dehradun, a serene city located in the state of Uttarakhand, there is a growing demand for land surveyors due to the increasing development and construction projects in the region. One prominent company that offers land surveying services in Dehradun is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have become a trusted name in providing reliable land surveying solutions. For those aspiring to become a land surveyor in Dehradun, working with the government as a government land surveyor can be an excellent opportunity. The government land surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys on public lands to determine their boundaries, ownership, and any potential encroachments. They also play a vital role in ensuring that all land-related activities are in compliance with the legal regulations and guidelines. This profession requires strong analytical and problem-solving skills, as well as knowledge of various surveying techniques and tools. Scon Design India Private Ltd, a leading design and engineering company in Dehradun, also offers land surveying services. They have a team of skilled and experienced land surveyors who are well-versed in using advanced surveying equipment and technologies.